Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Tutorial Lore. Today I'm going to teach you how to install and activate a Shopify theme easily. Be sure to stay throughout the whole video so you don't miss any steps. Hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel Tutorial Lore. Let's get started. First, download the Shopify application from the Play Store and open it. After opening, tap on the three-line menu at the bottom and make it full screen. Next, go to the Sales Channel section and find the Online Store option, then tap on it. Now tap on Manage All Themes, then find and tap on the Add Theme option. Here you will see multiple options like Upload Zip Theme or Visit Theme Store. For example, I'm selecting Visit Theme Store since I don't have a zip file. Browse and select the theme you want to use. If it's a paid theme, you can check the pricing and buy it. After purchasing, the theme will be automatically added to your Shopify themes. That's all for today's video. Hope you have understood how to install and activate a Shopify theme easily. There is no easier way than this. If you still have any doubts, drop a comment and I'll definitely reply or make a video on your topic. Hit the like button, press subscribe, and leave a comment. It motivates us to create more tutorial videos for you. Thank you for watching.